We are going to take a look at creating an ad on your Facebook business page today. So when you are logged into your business profile, there are a few ways that you can get to the ad section. So there is a promote button right here at the top. On your sidebar over here is a promote button. If you scroll down, there is the ad center that you can click on. And then there is generally a section here about creating an ad that you can go through and use as well. So we'll go ahead and hit promote. So there are a couple types of ads that you can use. You can do an automated ad, boost a post. Today we're going to focus on creating a new ad. So we'll select that. So there are a few steps here to creating the ad. So we'll start at the top and go down through these steps. The first one is your goal. You can change that. There's several options here that you can use just depending on what you want to get from the ad. Once you've decided what you want to do, go ahead and select that and go through the steps. We're going to go through the leads because that one has a form that you have to generate for the lead. So I want to be able to show you how to do that as well. So we're going to select get more leads and hit save. Next thing you want to do is design how you want your ad to look. So in your description here, you can type whatever is relevant to your ad. And if you want to see how that looks, off to the side is your ad preview. You can see that the description box pops up at the top, just kind of like the comments or the posting section on Facebook. This is that post on top that has the text on it. Scrolling down, you can select your media here. So that is going to be the center part here, what goes into your ad. So hit select media. If you've run ads before, those images will be in the ad account section. You can also go to your Instagram section and pull something from there. You can pull from your page. There are stock images. However, if you want something customized, please reach out to the marketing team and we'd be happy to help you with that. If you want, you can also upload from your computer by hitting the upload, and you can use both photos and videos. So you can toggle between ones that you've used before on the side here between images and videos. If you select that, it'll pop up as well. You can also create a carousel by selecting multiple images. So the ones that you have selected will show up down here. If you want to add more, you can add up to 5. So we'll just select a couple here. If you click one that you don't want in there, this little X will pop up once you have more than one image, and you can take out images you don't want to use by selecting that X. Once you are happy with your images or videos that you are using, you can go ahead and hit select, and those will populate in your ad here. So there is your preview of your ad that you can see there. Each ad section will have a headline, so you can change that for the images. And that headline pops up right here on the ad, so you can see that headline. They do want to limit that to 25 characters. So as you can see, once it's past 25 characters, the rest of that text goes away. So just make your headline very short. This is your button. So you can change that to say apply now, learn more, get a quote, sign up, or subscribe, depending on what kind of ad you are running. And since we are doing a lead generation ad, you want to select a contact form. If you've created them in the past, they will be in this drop-down list here. So you can select a pre-saved form. And then you can view that pre-saved form by clicking that eyeball next to the details, and it'll show you what your form looks like. If you have not used a form before, you will need to create a form. So you'll hit create form. You will have to name your form here. You can select different information that you can ask for there. You're also able to ask a question on this form as well. Hit add question and then just type in whatever your question is here, and then they will answer from that. Once you are happy with your form, scroll down and hit save. The next thing you want to do is you want to select your audience. So you can use the smart audience that Facebook suggests for you. The details will be here. So it'll show you the location, people who are matching certain interests, and what detailed targeting they have selected there for you as well. You can also edit that to your preferences. You can set up targeting here. So if you want to modify those details, you can go in here and change your location. So you can type in different zip codes and whatnot from there. Once you're happy with your audience, again, scroll down and hit Save Audience. The next thing that you want to do is you want to set your schedule of your ad. You can run ads continuously. That does do a continuous charge of day by day. But most people do just run ads for a one-time duration. So select your start date, start time, how many days you want to run the ad for, and then select a daily budget. It will give you an estimated amount of people who will be reached based on your budget. So if you spend more money, you obviously reach more people. And off to the right-hand side here, it will give you estimated daily results. When you're running a lead gen ad, it'll tell you approximately how many leads they think you will get based on your budget. And it will tell you your total budget off to the side as well. The last thing you want to do is check to see where you want this ad to go. It's going to be on Facebook, and then you can decide if you want to run it through Instagram and Messenger as well. And then you will add your payment information. Once you are happy with your ad, you want to select Promote Now. Facebook does review all of the ads that get submitted. So once your ad is reviewed by Facebook and approved, they will send you an email, and you will also get a notification through your Facebook page that the ad is currently running. And that is setting up an ad through Facebook. I will create another video and it will go over how to look at your ad results and analyze them as well. So stay tuned for that and watch out for that video coming down the line. Thanks.